This is my real fall skincare routine that I do before I do my makeup or get on with the day. These are my 3 favorite clean beauty SPFs right now. First, we're gonna wash our hands and make sure we don't have any bacteria on them, and then we're gonna get to cleansing. We're gonna start off the morning skincare. This is after I've come home from the gym. So in the morning when I first wake up, I only splash my face with water and I don't wash it with a cleanser. I just put moisturizer and sunscreen and then head to the gym and get my workout in. When I come back from the gym, this is my real fall skincare routine that I do before I do my makeup or get on with the day. We're gonna go in with a toner. This is the Biossance BHA Pore Minimizing Toner, and I drop a little bit like this onto the palms of my hands and I press it onto the skin, making sure that I get underneath the eye. This is a great way to minimize pores and give yourself just a very gentle exfoliation. I do have another toner that I love that is only a hydrating toner that I do on days when I'm doing active ingredients. So if I'm doing a lactic acid or if I'm doing at night my BHAs or AHAs, I go in with a toner that has nothing. This is the Water Bank toner from LANEIGE and it's great. So I have 2 toners, one with BHA, which is exfoliants, and the other one without. Next, I like to go in with the vitamin C from Drunk Elephant and I pump 2 little pumps on this. This is a great way to brighten the skin tone and to protect the skin from lots of radicals and things that you pollutants and such, but it's a great way to very much brighten that skin. I also like to put this on top of my hands, and when I'm doing this, I'm also doing it all the way down to the décolleté and the chest area. Next up, we're gonna go in with a hydrating hyaluronic acid serum. This is the Ordinary. It's very well priced and it's a great way to hydrate that skin. Now we're gonna apply niacinamide, which is a great way to zap out pores. It's a great ingredient to add into the morning routine. Usually I go with this eye cream at night, but I don't have any other eye cream right now that's a brightening one. I do like the guava one that they have, Glow Recipe has, but I don't have that one right now. So I'm just gonna apply eye cream in the eye area. And then we're gonna go in with my favorite moisturizer ever. This is the Weleda Skin Food, and this is the light version. They have an ultra rich version, which I'll probably switch to when winter comes. But for right now, my skin is loving this light version. It's so good, you guys. I love it. Oh, by the way, I just got 2 little fine line tattoos from my niece. She gave me this beautiful reminder to have faith, and then a tattoo that says beloved. After the moisturizer, you want to go in with a sunscreen. I like this Saie Beauty sun visor. I'm gonna put a really nice amount of that all over the skin, and make sure you get your eyelids. I like to get it on the tops of my ears and on my hands. It cannot be a beauty routine for me without incorporating my favorite lip product from LANEIGE. They have a caramel apple flavor for fall that I just got in a PR package. FYI, all of these products that I'm sharing with you have been gifted to me by the brands. Thank you so much to the brands that send me things to try and to share with my tribe. I am so grateful. Thank you, LANEIGE, for sending this out. I am so excited to try it with you. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my gumballs. This is unreal. Oh my gosh, I want to eat. Can I just eat this? Oh my gosh, this smells divine. It smells like a caramel apple, and I legit want to just eat it all, but I won't. Leave it on my lips and let it nourish my lips so that they could be nice and supple when I go and do my makeup. They're gonna be really juicy and ready to roll. If I had to give you some of my favorites to kind of like think about a vitamin C for yourself. I know this one's super pricey. If this C Firma from Drunk Elephant isn't in your budget, please find a vitamin C that is. Vitamin C is going to be great for your skincare. Also, getting a good hyaluronic acid and niacinamide is going to be a really good fit for your routine in the morning. They're really going to support your skin barrier, especially going into winter. You want to make sure your skin barrier is nice and hydrated. As a once a week treatment, I use this baby facial. This mask is one of the reasons why I believe my skin is gotten so beautiful. I use this literally every single Sunday. It's a 20-minute mask that has 3 different active ingredients that gently exfoliate your skin. It does feel a little tingly at first, but if you can muster it and it's not burning your skin, you are gonna love this to get all of that dead skin cells off of your face and to reveal beautiful skin that you are like, you're gonna be like, who dat? This is a great once a week mask to incorporate into your fall skincare routine. I have 3 great clean beauty sunscreens that I absolutely adore. Obviously, Saie is what we just used right now, and this is the Sun Visor. It has broad spectrum SPF 35, and it is gorgeous. It leaves a really radiant, glowy finish, but without feeling like a disco ball. This one is the Hero Foce Shield. It's the super light sunscreen broad spectrum. It is very straightforward, and it doesn't leave, it's not shiny or shimmery at all. So if you're just looking for something that's very just a sunscreen and no hooplas, this one's going to be for you. It's very lightweight and it leaves your skin sort of like a natural finish. It goes super well with makeup or no makeup. Then I have the SUPERGOOP Glow Screen SPF 40. This one I absolutely love. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy, it's so radiant, and it just leaves the skin looking like, oh my gosh, what? It leaves you looking like you just went to get a workout and you're glowing and you're highlighted. Hopefully you're doing this routine after you've gotten some really good exercise, and it will even look more beautiful if you have that little rosy flush from working out. Oh my gosh, these 3 SPFs are awesome, and they're in the clean beauty space. This was my morning fall beauty routine. I hope that you're inspired to get your morning fall routine in order.